How to get best Eneba discount codes. I'm going to tell you how and where to get the best Eneba discount codes. First, pull up a browser and then just type in Eneba discount codes. Here are the most trusted websites to get them. One is couponfollow.com. Here you can see on the right some FAQs about Eneba discount codes. You can also try simplycodes.com. Here you see that some are actually not verified, so you have to be mindful of that. Next one is pcgamer.com. You can definitely get codes from here too. Just scroll down. I can also suggest you join Facebook groups or communities. Just be mindful that these places are great, but here are where the most of the scammers are too.